What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Vornado fan. The new Vornado fans, you actually have to use a screwdriver. So all I gotta do is just flip it over. And what you can see, the screwdriver is right here, right? It's three, so 1, 2 on this side, right here. And then you can see 3 right here, so it's 2 on the side and then 1 on the bottom. And then stay tuned where I show you how to clean it. Okay, so after you get the 3 screws out, the front grill is holding by tabs, as you can see, right here. I already kind of just loosened it for me. Right here, so you kind of just want to push down and then pull up, yeah? So push this thing down and pull up. And then after that, it should pretty much just slide right off. Like that. Okay, these are push down tabs right here. So, stay tuned. Okay, so here's what the Vornado fan looks like before it's going to be clean. As you can tell, there's a lot of dust on the blades and the grill. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to vacuum them up. And then I'm going to use some disinfecting wipes to take off the dust on the blades. And after that, I'm going to wash the grill. Okay, so the only thing you can wash is this one, yeah, because you can take them off. This thing is still stuck onto the fan, yeah, with the motor, so this one you can't take off, but you're just going to have to try your best to just clean them around. And then use disinfecting wipes, or, you know, try to clean between every single louver, every single crack, yeah, on the grills and stuff. So make sure you get that thing clean. And I'll show you the before and after. This is before, and here comes after. Okay, so here's after it's being cleaned. So I wash the grill, and I use wipes on the blades, front and back. It doesn't need to be perfect. All it needs to do is make sure you get all the big chunks of dust, so you don't end up sneezing. Okay. So once everything's dry, you can put everything back on. Right now I'm just letting the grill dry a little bit. Just get a quick test without the grill. It's clean air, dust free. Alright.